Okay, let me. Okay, let me test things out and see if everything is working. If it is, I don't have any issue. We can continue. Okay, also give me a second. I am turning. Okay, I'm live now. Yeah, sorry about the issue. I guess OBS is not able to connect via my LAN for some reason. LAN and Wi-Fi are on different ISPs, so there are two ISP routers in the home just as a redundancy. So okay, let me just get back to this. I still have to tweet, so give me a second. Live now. Hopefully, we will finish the poly market sports. I guess they do have Polymarket sports, right? Yeah, Polymarket space sports subgraph. Finish the finish Polymarket subgraph migration and move to next subgraph. Okay, cool. I have tweeted that out and let's start. I guess yeah. Go here. It's poly. Yes, Polymarket. Let yes. Okay. Now we have to migrate all these handlers. So market created. Let's start. Uma market created handler. Also, let's hide this for now. Okay, then what do we have? Market resolved. Then market emergency resolved, paused and unpaused. Market paused, market unpaused. Cool. Now we have all of these. I want to check this one. So this was game.get existing one return, otherwise this, and get and set has this particular thing. Okay, get and set game. I want to change this. Okay, let me just hopefully why. Oh, okay. Okay, understood. Cool. This we have this. Now let's start with create game. Also, if we are using create game only once, no, create game. Why are we even using this? Okay, maybe I don't know why. Why are we using this? Ancillary data, game ID, context. Okay, let's remove this part. We don't need abstraction there. It should work fine. We needed abstraction for get and set because it was repetitive and we were not doing anything particularly different in all of them. So here, let's see, event dot params dot. Now we have market ID. Let me check. Game cancelled, market created. So market ID, then game state, market type. Do we have utils function? No. Do we have anything at the top? Okay, not, yeah, we do have. Oh, we have already done market created, so there is no need for this. We just need to create a function called get and set market. Okay, let's figure out what it needs to do. So get market, if market not found, throw an error and return. If market found, we'll modify these things. And let me hide all of these handlers. Not hide, minimize. Okay, great. Now we have this. We'll say mutate market m, market ID, context, and missing message string. So we need to change the state and payout will remain same. If there is a payout. And how is it used? So we are saying, yeah, okay, understood. Let's do market ID string context handler market or promise. Okay, no, I still want to keep this structure where we do existing return update const existing market await muted. Okay, and we need to do async. Let's go here. Const, let's destructure the whole thing. Am I correct? Do we call that destructuring? Let me check. I just don't know the exact term what this is called, so that's why I want to check what that is. Is this called destructuring? Close. No. more precisely deconstructing object. Okay, so it is called destructuring. Now we want market ID, payouts. Do we? No, we don't have state. What do we have? Okay, so in most of them we will have event dot. Okay, here also I have payout, market ID and payout const, no, event dot params dot market ID. Okay, so here we only have one, and here market ID. Okay, so let's just copy paste these things. And then we need to do await get or set market ID okay, this is good enough. State, I know the spelling is correct, but I still want to check from schema.graphql. So created paused emergency. Okay, cool. So resolved, here it will be, yeah, here it will be emergency resolved, here it will be paused, and here it will be created. Let's go and do await emergency resolved, then await paused, created. Okay, that's great. Now we do have this. Let me just check few things. Okay, with this, I guess we are done with oracles. Yeah, with that, we are actually done with sports oracle. Let me just cross check in this. So all these are not needed because we are creating them, not these parts, the enums, but let me check. Ordering, yeah, ordering is here. Okay, we are almost, we are creating almost all of these things in the what is this called, schema.graphql file, and whole this is migrated, this file and this file also. For these two we don't actually need a function. It just, I don't what to call this. um, let me check. I don't remember the exact. Yeah, this one. So you see, let me copy this and ask, what is this called? Ternary operator. Okay. So both of these are just ternary. Okay, we don't know market where is this used. Okay. So this is one ternary operator and create market created, and this is the second ternary operator. So both of these util functions are okay. I guess I am back on stream, but let me check. I'm having a lot of technical issues today, so that's why it keeps disconnecting. For you guys, it won't matter because it's just like a cut and you're back. Anyway, what I was saying was that I was just looking at the tests and what it is saying. Okay, these are not tests for the handlers. These are just tests for these what do you call utility functions. Let's Okay, this will be a big subgraph that we need to modify. Okay, let's go with order book. It's just, as you can see, a lot of if else statements, and yeah, don't think there is anything particularly based on what I have seen right now. I don't think there will be any issues in migrating this. But anyway, I am going to cut this stream short. Like, I know it's just been, for you guys, it's 15-minute stream, and we didn't do a lot. Let me just say work in progress. Let's see, open interest. How big this is? How big is this? Okay, not that big. That's a good thing. Okay, empty.ts. Cool. So I know what order we are going. So first this, then order book, then yeah, wallet, sports oracle, order book subgraph, open interests, FPMM, and then PNL subgraph. So that's the order we are going in. Let's l- yeah, let me cut this stream short for today. Tomorrow we'll tackle this order book subgraph. Cool. Let me just